TOPDON is introducing T-Ninja1000, the future of affordable key programming. T-Ninja1000 is built with keen observations to provide the services at its best level. Combining advanced Immobilizer functions and online database to complete all OBD key programming in one tablet, it's an ideal key programmer for locksmiths and automotive repair shops, yet easy enough that even beginners can use. The locksmith-level features for Blade and Smart Keys include read pin code, key learning, remote control learning, and delete key, all done by OBD, covering over 30 major car brands in America and Asia, including GM, Ford, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda, and more. No more soldering, EEPROM, accessory tool connections, or automotive features you rarely need. All features in T-Ninja1000 have proven to be highly reliable and functional for complete peace of mind. Simple step-by-step guided procedures and built-in tips will head you towards the right direction for effective key programming. The industry-leading online database offers massive vehicle general information, key information, smart key detect area location, and continually expanding. The automatic power on and 3-second boot up time ensures the T-Ninja1000 is ready for action once connected to a vehicle. Viewing technical materials without a vehicle connection is available whenever using the included power adapter. Simply place the key or chip into the integrated radio frequency identification slot or the chip induction slot to enjoy fast reading and writing key data. T-Ninja1000 is backed by the TOPDON promise for up to 12 months free unlimited uses and constant updates for growing features and vehicle coverage additions. World-class lifetime technical service is just a call or click away. Yes, that is the appeal of TOPDON T-Ninja1000, a user-oriented key programmer and a great investment that will bring your business to a new level you've yet to imagine.